Hello everyone, I've got an old Teaberry T-Control bass here for sale. It's a 23 channel bass. It's in really nice shape. Um, Basically, I just kind of wanted to show you the operation of the unit itself. It's receiving and transmitting okay. The meter works fine. Right now there isn't a whole lot of radio traffic out there, but maybe somebody will pop in here while I'm doing this video. Anyway, I just basically wanted to show you that the radio is working. Got a meter set up there, dead key wattage. It's on the 5-watt scale there. Dead key's about 4. Audio, modulation is 100% plus. Anyway, the radio itself, it's got CB/PA switch. Basically, you can use that. It does have a automatic noise limiter built in, functioning. This is your volume off switch. Basically, pull on to turn it on, or push in to shut it off there. It's got a delta tune control. Plus and negative direction there. The squelch control is working, and it's also got built-in SWR calibration control as well. Basically, you can go in and calibrate. I'll key it up there and show the reflection there, and then you flip it over here to your SWR. That's about it there on that, but it does work. The radio is pretty clean in general. It'll be a good radio for a collector or somebody that maybe is just starting out. Like I said, it's a straight 23 channel radio, and everything seems to be working okay. The lights in the channel and the meter work, as well as the on-air light. Audio. Yeah, it kind of lights up there when you modulate. So anyway, I just wanted to shoot this video showing the operation, and I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.